But I've seen a lot of people actually battling with the Doctorx bot. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through in 5 now to get yourself verified, verify the Face ID, and not only that, and also the multiverse address verification. So before you proceed in this the verification process, for you to get yourself verified, you have to first make sure you do the face verification, so which is the number one criteria. And after you are done the face verification, you will have this green badge. So and for you to do the face verification, you have to come here, then you click on and you confirm to go ahead with the face verification. They will so your face will be verified in a very quick and easy way. So when you are done, you will have this verification badge. So then the second part is this multiverse verification, and more importantly, you have just a few days to complete your verification. Verification ends the 4th of this month, December, so you have to get it done as quick as possible. Now let's come to the multiverse address verification. So for you to get this thing done, you have to join all the ICE projects. There are 5 in number. So we have Doctorx, so we have Doctorx, we have Seal Send, we have Confluent both, then we have Sunwaves, then we have Crypto Mail. So you have to use the link in the description. Make sure you join all the 5 bots, then you are set for your verification. You can see all these are opened like this, so you have to join all and make sure they are open like this so that your verification will be each free. So let's get started. So for you to start your verification, you have to come to the multiverse address. So you click on your multiverse address. So you come to the verification flow. So you read, then you click and understand, then you start. Now come here. Here you see the first one is Sunwaves. The second one is Confluent. The third one is Seal Send. Then the last one is what? Mail. So we are starting with the first one, which is this. So we need to copy the verification code and enter it here. So let's get started. So we're going to go to Sunwave now. So you come here, you come to your profile. So you click on your profile, then at the top right corner, we're going to select the copy of verification code. Then here you copy, then you go back to your Doctorx, then here you paste the verification, then you click on mark step as complete here. So now it has migrated us to what you can see. This one has been marked. Then here Confluent. So we are going to go to our Confluent now. So here's our Confluent. The same procedure. You come here, then you click on the settings at the top, then tap on the verification, you copy, then go back to your Doctorx. So we paste the code we copied, then you mark as complete, boom, done. So we are done with this, then see send. So you go there and follow the same procedure. So you come here, your profile, then you move to settings, then boom, you copy your verification code. Then you go back up. So you paste, then you mark as complete. Then the last one, this done. Then the last one, which is Crypto Mail. So follow the same procedure. So you come to profile, from profile to settings, then you copy the verification code, then go back and paste. You mark as complete. So you can see now, then we click on what? Verify. So you wait for just a few seconds for it to be verified. Back to end verification pass, very quick and easy. Make sure you follow the step I've highlighted. You're going to get an easy ride in the verification. Then the next thing we click on what? Continue. So the next verification is for you to copy this text here, then go and post it in your X platform. So for you to copy, just click here, and see, then go and paste it in your S account. Then you post it, then you copy the link and put it here. So let me do just that now. So after posting, you copy your link, then you paste it here, then you mark as complete, So then move to the next one, which is they say follow so you just make sure you complete all this. So I'm following them, so I'm going to mark as complete. Make sure you are following, then you mark as complete, then you click on what? Verify. So now I've passed this one, S verification passed. So click on continue, then now to Telegram verification. So a Telegram username, join us on Telegram. So I've done that, mark as complete, then done that, mark as complete. I've done that, so mark as complete. I'm done. So Telegram verification done. So click continue. So when you come to this verification, that's CMC verification, that's CoinMarketCap. All you need to do is to go to Google Play Store, download CoinMarketCap app. So after downloading the CoinMarketCap app, then you come here, then you click on add to waitlist. So it's going to redirect you to the app. So then when you come to the app, so then you come here, just tap, and now it's added. So you're going to go back to our Telegram, then here you mark as complete. Then the last one you follow here on CoinMarketCap. So here you're going to tap again. So when you get here, you go to community. So when you come to community, you can see eyes open network, then click on what? Follow. Then go back to your Telegram, then mark as complete, then verify. So CMC verification passed. Then you click on what? Continue. Now, this is the last step, token distribution address. You are now eligible for token distribution. Glory be to God. You can now enter your own personal address below. He said we highly recommend Exporter app or use any of the multiverse compatible address. So we've been recommended and we've been asked to use Exporter. So we're going to download Exporter app so that we can copy our address. So you come to your Play Store and download Exporter. You can see here. So you're going to install. So after downloading your Exporter app, you create a wallet. So after creating it, all you need to do is to copy your address, which you come here, come to receive. So when you come to receive, so all the wallets here are multiverse compatible. So you're going to select the first one here, which is EGLD. So when you select, so this is the address. So you copy. So we come here, then we paste the address we copied, then click on what? Continue. Said, congratulations, you have successfully completed all the steps and are set for what? Token distribution. So make sure you follow the step highlighted step by step. And you're going to have an each free verification exercise. So do well to like, subscribe to the channel. More importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel.